Hi everyone, myself Satish Sankaramaki. I am doing MSc Mathematics from Swami Ramanand Tirth Maratha University, Nanded. Today's topic is differential equations. In these differential equations, before we go into our topics, we should know the basic concepts of differential equations. What are the equations? What are the dependent variable, independent variable? So we will firstly what is the equations? Equation. What is the equations? Equations is nothing but mathematical statement in which two expressions are equal. Then the mathematical expression, mathematical statement in which two expressions are equal. It's called equation. It's called equation. Now let us consider example. Let us consider two expression. First one x square minus 5x, and second expression is x minus 5y. So in this expression, if you put equal sign, then these are the equations. Now next, dependent and independent variable. What is the dependent and independent variable? Independent and dependent variable. Independent and dependent variable. Now let us consider one example. Y is equal to x plus 2. If we get put different value of x, we get different value of y. Now let us consider. I can take one example. I can take x is equal to 1, 2, 3, and 4. If we put x is equal to 1 in this equation, we get y is equal to 3. If we put x is equal to 2 in this equation, we get y is equal to 4. If we put x is equal to 3 in equation, we get y is equal to 5. And y is depend on x value. So y is a dependent variable. Yes. And now x is a independent variable, because the value of y is depend on x. So this is the definition of differential equation. What is the differential equation? An equation containing dependent variable, independent variable, and the derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called differential equations. Now we write definition of differential equation. An equation containing independent variable, comma dependent variable, and the dependent variable, the derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable, independent variable is called differential equation. Differential equation. Now take one examples. We have to take one example. Example number 1. dy by dx is equal to e to the power x. This is the first example. In this example, we see the dependent variable y and independent variable is derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. In this example, y is a dependent variable and x is a independent variable. Now, second examples, d square y by dx square is equal to plus y is equal to 0. Now, third example, d cube y by dx cube plus 4 dy by dx is equal to 0. Now, these three examples are the different. This is the first order differential equation, this is second order differential equation, and this is the third order, because there is a second derivative and this is the third derivative. Now, next, there are two types of differential equations. First one is ordinary differential equation, and second one is a partial differential equation. So, what is meant by ordinary differential equation? The ordinary differential an equation which contain the derivative of dependent variable with respect to one independent variable is called the ordinary differential equation. And the partial differential equation, an equation in which contains one dependent variable, the derivative of dependent variable with respect to more than one independent variable is called the partial differential equation. Now, types of differential equations. First one is an ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equations. That is OD. And partial differential equations. Second, partial differential equations. That is PD. So, derivative in this ordinary differential equation, derivative with respect to one independent variable, and a partial differential equation, derivative with respect to more than one independent variable. More than one independent variable. Now, next, order and degree of differential equation. Order and degree of differential equations. Order and degree of differential equations. So, what is meant by order? Order means the highest order derivative present in differential equation is called the order of differential equations. Now, we write the definition of order of differential equations. Order of differential equations. The definition: the highest order derivative occur in differential equation is called order of the differential equation. It's called the order of differential equation. It's called the order of differential equation. And degree of differential equation, degree of differential equations. The power of highest order derivative, the power of highest order, derivative, power of highest order derivative occur in it. Why free from fractions, fraction and radical is called degree of equations. It's called a degree of differential equation. Differential equation. Next, examples of order and degree. So first examples we see here d square y by dx square plus 4 dy by dx is equal to 0. In these equations, we know that the definition of order, the highest order derivative is 2. So the order of that equation, that equation is 2. And the degree, the power of highest order derivative. Here is the highest order power derivative, and the power of that derivative is 1. So the degree of that equation is 1. Now second example, d cube y by dx cube plus 5 d square y by dx square is equal to 0. In this equation, the highest order derivative is 3. So the order is 3, and the highest order derivative power is 1. So the degree is 1. So now next, so how to form differential equation? How to form differential equation from normal equation or general equations. So normal equation y is equal to cx minus 2c square. This is just example. Now from this general equation we form a differential equations. Now we have to solve given equations. So y is equal to cx minus 2c square. We take equation number 1. Differentiate with respect to x. So equation number 1, differentiate equation number 1 with respect to x, and we get differentiate with respect to y with respect to x. So we get dy by, therefore dy by dx is equal to, constant is as it is, and derivative of x is 1, minus 2 and c is also constant, and the derivative of constant is 0. So therefore dy by dx is equal to c. So therefore c is equal to dy by dx. Equation number 2. We put equation number 2 in equation 1. We put equation number 2 in 1. Put equation 2 in 1. We Okay. Value of c put in this equation and we form our differential equation. So y is equal to, therefore y is equal to, what is the value of c? Is dy by dx. Dy by dx, and x is as it is, minus 2 as it is, and the value of c from equation 2. So dy by dx whole square. So this is the formation of differential equation from general equation. This is the formation of differential equation from general equation. Next. Thank you for all. Our session is ending.